Structure and format of the GRE exam. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the structure and format of the GRE exam, a pivotal test many students take for graduate school admission. By understanding the layout and what to expect, you can better prepare and strategize your studies. The Graduate Record Examination, GRE, is a standardized test often used for admission to graduate schools across various fields. Whether you're aiming for a master's, MBA, or doctoral program, understanding the GRE's format can give you an advantage. The GRE comprises three primary sections. 1. Analytical writing. This section assesses your ability to articulate complex ideas, support your arguments with relevant reasons and examples, and write clearly and effectively. 2. Verbal reasoning. Here, your comprehension of written material and ability to recognize the relationships between words and concepts are tested. 3. Quantitative reasoning. This section gauges your problem-solving skills using basic mathematical concepts. Analytical writing. It consists of two tasks: analyze an issue and analyze an argument. You get 30 minutes for each task, making it a total of 1 hour for this section. Verbal reasoning. It's split into two subsections, each lasting 35 minutes. Questions types include reading comprehension, text completion, and sentence equivalence. Quantitative reasoning. Like verbal reasoning, it has two subsections, but each is 40 minutes long. Questions cover arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Sometimes, you might encounter an extra verbal or quantitative section. Don't be alarmed. This is the experimental section, and it's used by the test makers to try out new questions. The catch? You won't know which one is experimental, and it doesn't count towards your score. So, always give your best to every section. Occasionally, test takers might also see a research section after completing the main test. This section is identifiable, unlike the experimental section, and while it doesn't count towards your score, it helps ETS test out new questions. And there we have it. An overview of the structure and format of the GRE exam. We hope this has shed light on what to expect and aids you in your preparation. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the format is the first step in conquering the GRE. Happy studying!